ties in, you know?
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. I like this seat.
Well, there's a story behind that.
We're working on the Blazer now. It's coming back stronger than this.
It is? Okay. Oh, nice. I like that.
This is the JL Audio marine grade
That's
radio,
pretty sweet.
but it has the best Bluetooth, capability in the market right now. To really catch the Bluetooth, the sound of Bluetooth.
So it actually has a better. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Whoa.
Working on this engine, guys.
Oh, you're good.
Ready?
I built that bitch right.
Yes, sir.
Need your hoe, he feel some type of way.
That thing's musical, dude.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds good.
And we did a lot of sound bending, a lot more than Dennis had.
Oh yeah.
So we can play a lot more.
You don't even worry about your windscreen either.
Dennis never had a pole.
Never had a pole, yeah.
Wow. But he loves it. He's gonna be around this truck the whole day. It's old baby.
Woo. I like it, man.
I'll play another one if you want.
Yeah, I would love it. Man, musical.
getting down.
Dude, I appreciate that, man. That was insane.
No problem, no problem. We worked like 2 weeks straight. There was nothing in here 2 weeks ago.
Really?
Everything was put in
I like the port, dude.
Yeah.
And the way you got it.
Yeah.
You could tell you got the optimal space.
Yeah.
So you built the enclosure, you tested and tuned it right, so it sounds excellent, man. Really musical bandwidth too. So you're playing low 20s up to like mid to high 40s, like brutal.
Going seriously low and
I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Ali.
Ollie. All right.
Ali and Big Mo. It's Big Mo's truck.
Big Mo's.
Yeah.
Okay. What branch subs are these?
These are all Audio Legion. Okay. The whole system is Audio Legion, from the mids, the tweets. There's 4 8s, 4 tweets. And did you hear the horns in the back?
Not yet.
There's 4 horns in the back that
Okay.
are extremely loud.
Yeah.
I am so impressed by the Audio Legion product. It's amazing.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet
Anytime.
you again. You have a good day. I'm gonna go check out the back real
Thanks
quick.
for,
The amps.
Thanks for promoting the Blazer.
Oh yeah, you're welcome, man. They'll love to see it.
We'll have the Blazer back doing probably 160. Doing 65.
Oh gosh, 65.
Yeah, wait until you see that. You can't miss the Blazer. It's got Alfred Audio.
Oh, I'm sure. Yes, sir. All right, have a good day, man.
You too. Have fun.
Yes, sir.
All this we did in 3 weeks.
That's what he was saying. Yeah.
And we have the wrap it, I did the wrap it, but we don't do it so Monday. The wrap it back, all of it. So it looks, everything ties in, you know?
Awesome. Thank you.
And then we just put power to the speakers last night.
So they still break it in?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's why he's trying to keep it around that 33, 38, 40.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
know?
Yeah, you don't want to go too low or anything. Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.